We've been telling Mr. Legault or even Mr. Trudeau what they've done to children works out. Down the road, we're going to be paying the price, and we are paying the price right now.
Quebec Premier François Legault is asking Prime Minister Justin Trudeau to reduce the influx of asylum seekers. He sent an official letter to Trudeau Wednesday afternoon saying, "We are very close to the breaking point because of the excessive number of asylum seekers arriving in Quebec month after month. The situation has become unsustainable." Nearly 60,000 new asylum seekers were registered in Quebec in the first 11 months of 2023, which Legault says has put very significant pressure on services, adding that Quebec also took in more asylum seekers than anywhere else in Canada in 2022.
I do understand that is putting a weight on the social aspect, the financial aspect, education, health, and so on. But those are problems that were way before.
Legault says the closure of the unofficial Roxham Road crossing south of Montreal last spring momentarily slowed the flow, but arrivals have continued to increase at airports.
Mr. Legault need to remember he's the one who insisted to have the Roxham Road closed. Now, what he was not expecting is that we currently having a very big influx of people coming with passport, with a visa, tourist visa.
Legault formally asking the federal government to tighten up its visa policy and fairly distribute asylum seekers across Canada, possibly by busing them to other provinces.
They did last year send people, without telling them, they took them from shelters here, hotels here from Quebec, and sent them to Niagara Falls, Cornwall. What happened is most people came back to Montreal, on their own means.
On Tuesday, Trudeau reiterated his plan to welcome 500,000 new permanent immigrants per year by 2025 and wants greater control over temporary immigration.
We cannot give visas to people that comes to our door and end up having them in the street.
Legault, meanwhile, wants to be reimbursed for the $470 million incurred in receiving asylum seekers in 2021 and 2022, and the same for years to come. On Thursday, Federal Intergovernmental Affairs Minister Dominic LeBlanc said he was taking the province's request for reimbursement seriously, but did not commit to transferring asylum seekers elsewhere in the country, only that they will evaluate all possible measures.
How can we get the two level federal and provincial to sit down and talk about a real way to welcome people with dignity and respect? That is not happening.
In Montreal, Alyssia Rubertucci, City News.